Muli giniit ni Pangulong Noynoy Aquino na wala na siyang balak tumakbo muli sa susunod na halalan. Sa kanyang pagharap sa Bulong-Pulungan Forum, sinabi ng Pangulo na maraming papel na maaring gampanan hindi lamang sa politika. Narito ang ulat ni Elena Luna.
Matapos ihayag na walang interes na muling maging presidente, sinabi ni Pangulong Aquino na hindi rin siya interesado na ihalal sa mas mababang posisyon. Ito ang dinugo ni Pangulong Aquino sa kanyang pagharap sa taunang Bulong-Pulungan Forum kung saan tinanong siya ng mga veteranong mamamahayag at kolumnista ng bansa.
After 2016, I think the foremost on my mind, together with my cabinet, is to take at least a year break and recharge and recover from all the tensions, turmoil, concerns over the past 6 years by that time. So I think I will try to look for a means to serve in another capacity rather than elective office.
Ayon sa Pangulo, maraming papel na maaaring gampanan hindi lamang sa politika. Iniisip niyang maaari siyang magsulat ng libro para ibahagi ang mga naging karanasan. Mahalaga daw sa Pangulo na makihalubilo sa mga kabataan para ihubog ang kanilang henerasyon para hindi nila maulit ang mga pagkakamali ng nakaraan. Hindi pa daw tiyak ng Pangulo kung paano niya ito gagawin dahil ang tinututukan niya ay ang pagpasok ng taong 2015.
The people really have to feel that there were significant changes. So the focus of 2015 again, is more intensified inclusivity of the growth in the economy and the empowerment of the people. And this is very palpable to everybody. That is, I guess, the main focus for the remaining time.
Gusto raw makita ng Pangulo na magkaroon ng boses ang bawat sektor ng lipunan. Ito raw ang legacy na gusto niyang iwan bilang leader ng bansa.
When you have the students talking about better quality education, more opportunities everywhere, you name the particular sector of society and they are demanding of government that which government should be doing to begin with, then I think that will be the legacy. Instead of before of merely just accepting what is, they are now demanding what should be as a normal right. Then if we have been able to transform them into that, then I think it was all worth it.
At sa takdang araw na iba na ang mag-oopisina sa Malacanang sa June 30, 2016, ito raw ang planong gawin ng Pangulo.
Well, going back to times, staying in my own bed, in my own house will be and relishing that point. And perhaps looking forward to the following day when I don't have to wake up too early. I can laze around and get used to living in times again. Then perhaps visit the neighborhood joints like the supermarket and the fast food joints all around.
Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Elena Luna.